Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. The unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled in Adobe Photoshop. So we are using Adobe Photoshop but Adobe Photoshop not working. So first open it. So click on it. So we are going to check first. Now Adobe Photoshop open. And then you see Adobe Genuine Service Alert. This app has been disabled. This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. So we are going to fix it. So first open Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Now you see Task Manager. So click on it. So first we are going to remove process. Now you see multiple option in Task Manager. And then you see Adobe Genuine Software Client. So you can end task. So you can close this. Now select. Now you see end task. Now you see close. And then we are going to fix it. And then you see type here to search. So write here Window Defender Firewall. Now you see Window Defender Firewall. So click on it. And then you see advanced settings. So click on it. And then you see inbound rules, outbound rules. So we are going to create both rules. First we are going to create outbound. So click on it. And then you see new rule. So click on it. Now select program and then click on next. Now you see all program. Now select this program path. So you can add your Adobe Photoshop path. So there are two ways to add path. So this is our Adobe Photoshop. Right click on it and then click on properties. In properties, now you see target. So copy this. Now back. So you can add path here. Now paste. So we add it. Or you can select browse. Now select local disk C. And then program files. And then select Adobe. Now you see Adobe Photoshop CC. And then you see path. So both are same. So we added program path. So this is the example. Then click on next. And then you see block the connection in action. So select block the connection. Again click on next. And then in profile select all these options, domain, private, public, and then click on next. So you can add name Adobe Photoshop. So we added new outbound rule wizard. So click on finish. So add it. Now you see inbound. Now you see new rule added. Go to inbound. So follow same step. New rule. Program. Next. Path. Now paste path again. So now you see path. Next. Block the connection. Next. All check, domain, private, public, next. So you can add name Adobe Photoshop and then click on finish. So we added. Now you see Adobe Photoshop. So we added Adobe Photoshop rule in inbound rules, outbound rules. Now we are going to open it again. Now you see our internet is connected. Now open it. Now you see Photoshop open. If any error occur, then that error will show in within 5 to 10 seconds. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.